Hi everybody, it's Miss Liz. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY bath bomb. So the ingredients that you would need. You need what's this is called Epsom salt. And they have different I guess I don't know if really flavors, but I guess scents. I picked the lavender one. And then next you would need baking soda. And then some lemon juice and some water. So to mix the ingredients together, you would do the dry ingredients first, which would be the Epsom salt and the baking soda. You would use 1 cup of Epsom salt and 1 cup of baking soda. You would put those into a bowl, and then next you would do the wet ingredients, which would be the lemon juice and the water. I would do maybe about 2 teaspoons of each. You would mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, stir it up so it kind of feels like wet sand. That's the feeling that you want to get. And then to make into the mold, you could use a cupcake pan, you could use the bottom of a cup, or I actually got these molds from Amazon, but I would not recommend them. They didn't turn out as well as I'd hoped. It didn't really like clump together to make like a circle type of thing. So I actually did this yesterday and I want to show you the results, but yeah, like I said, it didn't turn out as well as I thought. So I would say if you do use these, just I guess scoop it out and then you can put it into the bath. And then if it looked more like the bath bomb per se, you could put it into a baggie. And then make a sign for your mom that says, "You're the bomb, Mom." And if this was like an actual baggie, because I only had the Ziploc ones, but if they had a bag, you could tie it up, get a piece of ribbon, put a hole through this, put the ribbon through this, and then attach it to there. But if you don't have these, that's why I just made it like this. You could probably just tape it onto there, make it a little easier. And that's how to make a DIY bath bomb. Give this to Mom for Mother's Day. Also, I wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, to all the moms, the aunts, the grandmothers, the caregivers. And also, I wanted to share some news with you guys. I, myself, am going to be a mother in October. So that's why my shirt says, "Pregnant I am," and has a picture of Baby Yoda. I don't know, kind of see the baby bump a little bit. Yep, there's a baby in there. My husband and I are very, very excited to be parents. We will not be finding out the gender. We want to be surprised. So in October, baby Smith will be here. So that's all for me today. I'll see everybody soon. Okay, thanks. Bye.